What's the meaning of conveyance? Conveyance. Conveyance.
Conveyance. Conveyance. The term conveyance refers to the act of transporting or moving something from one place to another. This can refer to a variety of modes of transportation, including land vehicles, ships, and aircraft. The goal of conveyance is typically to move goods or people from one location to another quickly and efficiently. Conveyance is an important aspect of many industries, such as shipping, logistics, and transportation. Proper conveyance can help ensure the timely delivery of goods and services while also reducing costs and improving overall efficiency.